Here should be alright. Here should be alright. Shoot. Wait. Shoot. Yes. Here. How to make the post first then? Paste. Post. Then I can't do it here. I'm sure those people will look at me like, oh no, man, don't really go here. Come on, sorry. I can't really let you do this. Yeah, pieces of shit. Let's go. So, pin and then edit and then why don't you have control at that other point? Paste. Browsing number one. Wait, wait, wait. I want to know. I want to know. wonder why it always take longer here. But when I just search it, it popped up. Information, come on. 2029. Ah, it's really hot there. Oh my lord. No. Oh, wait. Fully live. Damn. Just realized. Okay, there's no one here. Good, 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 good. Just before you make me type all of it again. Let's see the things. Do, 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 do. Wrong guy. Oh, this is excellent. That's great. Man, this should be like what? For 10 minutes. Okay, so for anyone that is just going to be watching, if you do watch the video, I would just begin in a few minutes. Um, Peace. Um, So this stream is actually meant to be more of a okay. Let me just do it this way. It's meant to be more of a like thank you stream and not meant to be fancy, meant to be too fancy and all that. So what I'm going to do is just like a quick rundown of people that I am absolutely no people that I'm absolutely thankful for. Like everyone in that has followed me on gamejolt, like every single person, every single comment, reply, ignore that has been made. I'm going to reply to it and thank you or the user, not really you, the user absolutely for it. Now, time to start from the absolute number one. Well, he's kind of number two, but number one. My reason is definitely going to be obvious in a few seconds, but so peaceful 2578 or broken. This dude has been a very nice guy. I mean, honestly speaking, I'm still speaking to him like on Discord as of now, so he's still like a very, very close friend right now. And he does nice blender work, which is great and all, but he's more of like a support to me. Still joining most of my streams, to be honest. So it's best if I just definitely put him as number one, number two there. Nobody should judge me. This is just how it is. Then we have Forbidden 2. Now, this dude has been like on GameJoy for about 3 or 4 years. Let me see. Let me even quickly just open up his profile. Peaceful. There we go. Yeah, definitely follow him. Anyone that's watching, for everyone that you hear besides you can't really follow yourself, or everyone you just hear, whether the person has blocked you before, if he has blocked you, fine, you can't really follow the person, but everyone just follow each other because that would be way much more support than just you know watching the video just for the sake of watching it. Then we have Forbidden 2. This dude has been on game just for about what 3 years. Yeah, that was right. And for 2 years straight, he has been sending gifts. 2 years straight, like maybe there are weeks where he'll pause, but still comes back sending gifts, which is what you can see here. Going down a little further, you would see gifts sent by him. Definitely, I've not been able to open up all of them, but this dude really deserves all the likes and follows. Then, well, I'm not sure if allowed to say it, but I'm actually working for this guy. They're planning on making a Chuck E. Cheese FNAF like game, which I fully support because it's a FNAF game. I love FNAF. Why not? And I'm definitely actually happy to be working on the team. Though not everybody speaks like English, but I mean, who speaks perfect English here? Still broken. Okay, there we go. Halfway to one. I'm just going to use this last word. Halfway to 1K. Lol. Simple. This is a reply to this. Honestly speaking, I've not watched the actual cartoon or animation on YouTube. Neither have I watched the movie. But I believe, yeah, Jax is like having his issues, yes, but I really hope he did not like die in the movie because that would just be really, really terrible. I saw just the little shot on TikTok showing him transforming into the nameless. I don't know how to put it, but I really just hope that that is not the end for him because that would just be terrible, really terrible. Okay, so broken. I mean, see, this is why I put him as like number two. And now forbidden sends you a gift, forbidden sends you a gift, forbidden sends you a gift. Definitely, there's no day when this dude didn't like send me a gift. Open pack. Man, I mean, I wish I could just give this guy money, but that's exactly what I'm trying to get in the first place. Money, which I do not have. Anyways, yeah, see, he actually joined the Twitch live stream. I've actually find it hard to use Twitch. I don't know. I'm not old, I'm not young, but I find it hard to use Twitch. Then Napki Nipcat Nick Peter Studios. There we go. Followed me. I followed him back. He actually wanted me to download one of his games and play. I've not been able to play it. It's actually on, yes, on Play Store. Well, let me see if I can just download it right now. Just for the, because I actually just have to do it. Not that it's a must, but it will, he will just request it in a nice way. So why not? And yes, going to Play Store. While I'm doing that, let's see here. Plushy Query. Query. Now, I actually like. Wait. I could have sworn I saw most of his artwork before. I guess it was just my brain playing with me or something like that, messing with me, because I honestly thought I saw lots of posts under this person's name. Well, anyways, 2 years ago, this dude followed me. I'm really thankful that he followed me, because I have more than not gotten more than like 2 followers in one day, and this dude came in right at this point in time. Let's see, 16 days ago, 16 days ago, 14 days ago, 13 days ago. Okay, it's 1 day difference, but still, under 1 week, getting more than 2 followers was apparently impossible at one point, which was just crazy, but I had to manage. Then half GJ famous at Mila, definitely he followed him. I liked most of his artwork. Looks tough. Anyways, still a very nice guy. Kind, not really accept everything, but still a nice guy. Thankful for following. Then your local, your local loser. Okay. Well, it's just all usernames. Please do not take it like as their actual names. Okay. Now let's see here. Obviously drawing, fan of the amazing digital circles, so there's no need to be. I do like, but I've not gotten any boats before. Wish I could get mine. Definitely follow him, follow everyone. He, they, she, them. For just follow everyone. Let's see who's next. Elliot. This was actually my post, but he moved it. Anyways, let me see. Can I get to this? Let me just type it here. Yeah, definitely join his community. Is how they then join the community, follow the person. Absolutely grateful for the follow. I believe he's following me, right? I'm sure he's following me. I'm sure he's following me. I just don't mind. Anyways, then Crush 2026 official. Man, this was like what, bro, joined 3 months ago. I'm thankful that I actually grabbed someone that early, but still followed 1 month ago. I'm thankful. Scooby Smith, definitely thankful. 1 month ago also. Follow, everyone, follow. Then we have Demon Poppy Kitty. Blah, 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 blah. I can't pronounce that. Sorry. Follow this person. Follow this person. Everyone, follow this person. Very thankful. Absolutely thankful. To be honest, every follow counts because I believe I'm still like, wow, come on. Of course I'll be like that. I believe I'm still in like what 500 followers, 494. I'll still count it as 500. You know why? Because it's still good. I remember when I was in like 300 and spent about 4 or 5 months wondering why I'm still in like 300. Anyways, alt demon, alt demon. Sorry, that's it. Domino. He's who is Russian. Cool. Anyways, this is someone that followed me. I am grateful that he followed me. I believe I made a comment or something on one of his posts. Possibly. I believe I did. But anyways, a very good person to follow. You should follow him. Kai Hartman. Thought it was Chris Hartman. Well, scale. I love art like this. To be honest, it's cool, simple, but cool. Anything like this is people like this are the ones that I'm immediately just going to follow. No questions asked. Cool. Oh, wait, there we go. Now, who else is next? Petrona STH. Come on, click. There we go. Now, not entirely a fan, but still a very nice person to follow. Very nice person to follow. And oh, nice 2K. One day I'll be like 2K, maybe not 10K followers, but 2K is definitely going to be following me. One day, I'm also thankful that I have up to 10K because people 10K 494 that's still a lot of work, but I'm still thankful for you guys for getting me all the way here. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Next we have the chill artist community, and it was a long time since before my arts, designs, animations, whatever was actually featured in this community. I'm thankful for the people that actually got it featured. I'm not sure if it's one person or exactly how that works, but still I'm thankful I got featured. Now Snevel Gray, this was someone that I saw his artwork, yep, and then decided to turn it into a 3D model just for the person. I did not do a good job. I rushed it, yeah, but I'm still thankful that the person actually allowed me to do this. Very nice guy, very nice guy. Make sure you follow him. 14K, wow. Okay, man, I can't keep going back and forth like this. Duplicate. So I around here, yeah, there we go. Danu Gaming. What do we get here? Yeah, I remember this one. Definitely following him. Already too late. Yeah, definitely following him. I believe he's new, right? 2 years. No, he's not new. Damn, you guys should follow him. You guys should follow him. Every follower counts. And I mean, I would have been like on the 1000. No, I would have been on the 1000 level in about what 1 year of being on game job. But thanks to my mom, no, can't just do it. Had to study. Anyways, now I'm doing my best to get there. Well, we all should still participate. I'm not sure this person is still on game jolt, but still follow the person. Still grateful for the person following. And who do we have next? Asha B 3 3 a.m. or 3 a.m. Weird spider. Really cool. Actually thought the artwork was, this is just like clean, not clean, but clean. I don't know why I can't just draw like this. Oh yeah, by the way, I was actually trying to draw my girlfriend just this evening, but that's when this whole idea just came up for me to thank the followers. And drawing like this, I must say, is very, very interesting. Oh, I really do hope that all this is like live, just to make sure, because I don't want to be on the side of things where I'll just come and hear, oh shoot, we can't actually hear your voice, bro. We're just yapping for like 6 hours. No way I'm going to be doing this for 6 hours, but you get what I mean. Next up, who do we have? And the Apple Lady. Let's see. Yeah. And not sure if this is AI generated though, but still, this is someone that is encouraging people. I was definitely happy looking at it. What's following? Everyone, what's following? Since here for 9 years, people, come on. What's following? Let's see. Okay, so now I'm just going to like copy the names just so that I don't have to be reloading the page all throughout because this is just too much. And let's see, there we go. Control C, Control V, we all go there. So Katia, Katia, yeah, I can't pronounce it. Users, there we go. Lee is the pink, yeah, it's the pink one. No post. Well, I guess this is one of those users that just pop in, pop out, just, but still, I'm thankful for the follow. Very helpful. I'll eventually reach 1K, guys. Eventually, maybe in like 1 month. Let's see. We have Luca, Luca Koloff. I'm just going to call you Luck. And let's go. There we go. Clean, 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 clean. Yes, mark. Clean, clean, clean. Why not? People, follow, follow. I'm still thankful for your follow. Grateful. Please keep up the good work. Now, who's next? Mr. Arlo Elliot. Yeah, um, that Miss Elliot was actually following me. Wasn't wrong. I can't keep copying and pasting, man. Shit. Okay, fine. Let me do it this way. At Elliot. There we go. Users. Shoot, like how many people have the name Elliot in here? Come on. Oh wait, is it Elliot? Oh my goodness, I've been pronouncing it the wrong. Elliot, not Elliot. Damn. Okay, so Randall. And I clicked. I wasn't supposed to click it. Anyways, Randall is very, very, maybe not very, very, because it was just one comment, one post, and him commenting. But you get the idea. It was nice enough to say this. Yeah, yeah. But I'm still alright with it because honestly, I also like pay attention to what I'm typing, and when I make a mistake, it's really, really annoying. when I now realize it after like what 5 days after posting it. And to be honest, I'm thankful. So I believe he is, and I have to do all this again. I believe I'm following him. Am I not? I should be. Should be. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Really quickly. Come on. Mando. Yeah, yeah, I'm following. 18K. Come on. She follow. Just follow. Just follow. Damn. Getting 18K likes. Cool. Cool. I mean, you have to have really comment that would have gotten you that far, but still cool. Okay. Next, Swift Copper Damsley Damselfly. Okay, yeah. I don't think the person is actually active. It's just like passerby. I don't think I'm going to look through this one just to speed up time. Then Tarek Xavier. I can't. I really don't want to click it. It's going to force me to reload the page. Okay, everyone just have to accept it this way, but I have to call everyone out at least. Nosk Nosk followed me. I'm really thankful. I'm not sure how many followers you have. Let me check real quick. Nosk. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, 425. So we are close. Nice. Wow. Someone's fluffy. Oh, okay, okay. Still, come on, follow. It's worth following. Yuzu. Nice. Definitely follow the person. I really don't want to be going back and forth. This would just be a whole lot of tabs right now. So have to manage. Forbidden. Told you. Forbidden. I mean, I don't think you are going to see more than 15 messages or notifications without seeing forbidden to send you a gift. Come on. I don't think so. You guys can all just like take notes. At least for a long time. So Alice 23 followed you, followed me. I'm thankful. Wired Jacko, thankful. Eva XD fans, definitely thankful. I don't think I've. Do you stream? If you don't stream, I'm still alright with it. But if you stream, drop your link so I would at least follow you there and watch some of your videos. That's one stooped bunny. Definitely following you. And I'm thankful, by the way, sorry. I'm thankful. Plushy, that's it, just plushy. Huh. Cool. Anyways, thankful for the follow. All of you guys have been. Oh, now it works. Now it works. Okay. Wow. Okay. So let's see. Click open. Now it works. Okay, there we go. So follow this person, everyone. Follow, 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 follow. Well, some guys will definitely follow just for this. Anyway, follow everyone. Follow, 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 follow. Next, we're Jacko. And damn, people. 3 months ago, but still, come on, people, follow. I mean, it's just that it's easy just for people to just do this. Come on, just click. As simple as that when you just see it. Come on, at least just do that. Alex, sorry, follow him. 112 likes, 56 followers. Every follow still counts. Like, done 2 months ago, 3 months ago, four. Ooh, yeah, yeah. This was the reason why I followed him. I liked this. I tried making a robot and endoskeleton before, but I just found it difficult to do. So I saw this post and I just immediately said, "Oh wow, yeah, just follow the guy, man. Just follow the guy." And definitely, this is what it's 4 years ago. And let's see. I think I opened this one, right? No, I've not. Okay, so that one stooped bunny. Definitely happy that you're following me. What's your story? Oh man, let's see. So next up, Sophie. Okay. Oh, sploshi, not so plushy. Sploshi. Next up, Rube's mouse. Rubestar mouse. Let me just say it that way. Definitely happy that. I'm grateful that you're following me. Definitely grateful. Next up, J. Oh, Jiao Jiao. People, I'm going to find it hard pronouncing. Nandi took me back here. Okay, I'm going to find it hard pronouncing names. Please do not judge me. Still taking me back. Yeah, see, this is my point. This was what was happening at first. But anyways, Jiao Jiao commissions closed actually replied to a comment of mine, the signature with my own drawing table, but the drawing table itself is just used just by mouse. I believe there was oh man, I have to do all this hard work. Okay, come on, 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 come on. Let's see. Okay, so the comment itself, yes, very, very cool artwork. And even the signature too is cool. Come on. Stuff like this that I wish I could draw. I'm just bad at digital art, so it's really like really difficult for me to pull any of that off. There we go. Now the main comments. Beautiful. This was I think a drawing that I did, most recent drawing, and this comment really made me feel happy. So I am thankful. Wolf. I can't believe it's just wolf with characters attached to it, but wolf gamer, dude, guy. I'm thankful. Then the crow 256. Yeah, YouTube comments suggested that the player can manually split it. It was introduced, then yes, this is why I was just happy. I am truly thankful. Not sure if you are following the crew. Let me check. Let me check. Come on. Wait. I expected it. I actually thought it would work. Okay, the crow, thanks for following. Taboo, thanks for following. And let's see. Yeah, featured everyone in the artist room. I am thankful that my artwork still gets featured there, even though it seems like it's almost impossible to get featured there. I don't know, but I'm still thankful. Rafi Musa, Rafi Musa, thankful, thankful for the follow. And then there we go. Looks really good. Not official look. Yeah, this was of the game character that I was trying to make. Well, no, not trying to make. I made, and he's not really used for any game not right now because I don't know how to create any game. So yeah, it's just there now on my laptop. But I'm thankful for his comment because I felt I still needed to add a lot of stuff. But he said it looks good. I'm alright with it. Not that I'm not going to edit it further, but still, it looks good so that I don't have to actually change lots of things on the mesh. Then Sonic New Joy, thankful for the follow. There we go. Forbidden 2. Let's see. Forbidden 2 and Forbidden 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, not 13. Forbidden 2. This dude, yeah, it's really, really, really a great support for me. Number one. By the way, yeah. So this design that you're seeing right here was actually one. Don't worry, I'll show you guys very soon. That's if I can even find the post in the first place, but I'll show you. I'm the one that made the like neon glow while that is his drawing, and then he decided to combine together and make a very cool profile picture. Now Eldorado, that's E11E, but you guys get it. I'm thankful for she has been a very great support. I clicked it on accident. Come on, she has been a very great support. She actually told me, like, give me a Discord link where I could go. I haven't gone there for a long time to get support for making the game that I was trying to design myself. Then lots of things I've not done and started and did not finish. But she really did help and told me people that I could meet in the group. Control of this. Okay, where was I? There we go. There we go. She's really a really great help. Please, you guys should go follow her. Go follow her. Lucky Face Kayer. Oh yeah, by the way, I haven't even checked. 7 views. 7 views. Man, this is the most views I've gotten on a live stream. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. It's 7, but still, I mean, his views. Come on, his views. Mr. Unknown. There we go. There we go. Yeah, here. Michael. Michael is here. Come on. And Daniel. Daniel, thankful. I'm thankful. The gym. Oh yeah, he also still came in. I didn't even remember to tell him. Come on. I forgot. I would have actually missed. Yeah, you see, guys, this is the thing. I can say, yeah, I'm going to do it. I would agree with you and say, yes, I'm going to do it. But then when the time comes, I totally forget. Totally forget. Not that I wanted to, not that I just didn't put it into consideration, but I just forgot. Entirely forgot to do it. Damn. Hey, Nezzy X. That art looks really good. Yeah, true. True. Was is never completed. No, it was. Wasn't it? Well, let me see. Which one were you referring to? The forbidden. Man, there are lots of things. When I feel like OBS should allow me to like place this guy out of the screen just so I can see it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, but let me just quickly scroll through it. So, Muhammad Coco. And then let's see character model. Why do you say what? 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 And now I'm still grateful. I'm still grateful, to be honest. A comment is a comment. I feel I missed someone. I feel I missed someone. Yes, one shot. I knew it. One shot. So you appeared as a literal one shot. No, no, no one shot. 5 shots, to be honest. And that was basically just spamming the comments. But still, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. And now next up, what do you have here? Bendy. I can't believe you got the name Isaac. Okay, it's Bendy at gamejolt famous, not just Bendy, because that would be really hard to just get the username these days. Thankful for the follow. and as you can see, she really did help with putting me through on how I could get like help with Godot, the Godot engine, which I was supposed to use to create the game. I was creating the game, as some of you definitely know, but yeah, I wouldn't have missed it for anything except the movie data, of course. Please don't tell me you actually died. Come on. Oh, why did I type you? I wasn't supposed to type you. The game. Yeah, the game that I was supposed to make. I'm typing you again. I'm not supposed to. Wait. Brain, calm down. I really do hope you did not die. I'm not going to accept if there's like an actual death scene in that where I don't want to. No. No, I definitely not late for. I mean, bro, right on, not really right on time. I started a long time ago, but still, it's active. I'm typing you. I feel there's my brain is trying to tell me something that is, I'm literally just typing you on accident. But anyways, definitely not late. I'm using a terrible keyboard. People, my laptop is like having some kind of issue where the A, Q, Z, and 1 keys are just not working. Literally just not working. I don't know why. JP1, yeah, I'm really thankful for the follow on YouTube. You're the one that actually left comments yesterday. I'm really thankful for that. I really just can't type. I don't know why I can't type. This is terrible. I'll unplug the keyboard. I'll unplug the mouse. Wrong one. Just not going to type. Okay. Bad keyboard. Yeah, I can't. I was also going to like place I was going to actually install Call of Duty on my laptop, but just because of this Z, because let me look. Right now I'm spamming this Z key, like this ZAQ1 is not working. All other keys work, but ZQA does not work. This had happened before where my shift key was not working. I had to use Blender, just ignoring the left shift. So the easy to access shift, I could not click it. It wouldn't work. Well, anyways, I had to learn. I guess now Q, A, Z, and 1 are included on that list. Anyways, back to back to the live stream. The main agenda of the live stream. Haven't drawn in a really long time. Hope this comes out nice. Yep. That was the face, black and white face. I wish I could like show everyone the actual drawing, but there's no way to do it right now unless I hook up a lot of stuff. The hero villain, grateful for the follow. The tail tails start. Yeah, I can't pronounce it. Sorry. Thankful for the follow. Everyone follow this dude. Follow this dude. Follow these guys. And real Pato. SR Doomy plays. Yeah, follow. Then Goatcraft 25. Let me see, can I open this one? Yes, I can. Yes. Follow. Every follow counts. Every like count. At least like whatever post they just make, just like you can still read it just so that it doesn't seem rude and like spammy, but still follow. Next up we have age kitty ag age them English from last year. This wait is it my post or his post? Can't tell. Well, we all ignore it. Well, maybe not ignore it, but we can't see. Yeah, so let's see, let's see. Okay, okay. So forbidden 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I feel like I missed one. 12, 13. Yeah, more than 13. Mainly because of her post, her comment, sorry. But then we have forbidden 2, forbidden 2, forbidden 2, forbidden 2, forbidden 2, for damn, damn, bro, damn. Come on. 4 months ago, I can't actually see the real date, but still, 3 months ago. Bro, just dedication for about 2 years, guys. 2 years. He did this straight. 2 years. Maybe just waking up in the morning, okay, send this guy a gift. Waking up the next day, send this guy a gift. Basically, I guess this is like his greetings for me. Absolute dedication, man. Absolute dedication. Random Nafan. So yes. I'm sorry I can't pronounce it properly. You have to you always have to follow the people we can. 9 views, man. 9 views. Okay. If you being a few minutes late, it doesn't mean much. I mean, in the live stream, you can always go back. You can always speed up. I mean, you can't really speed up because that'll be breaking the laws of reality. But still, let's see. I'm lagging, man. Oh yeah, true. That's you. Of course. See, this is why I need to be here because I'm thanking you, not just saying this and then going to be like spending days trying to do an edit that makes sense, but then forget about it. I'm doing this mainly to thank everyone. So everyone that I actually, maybe not everyone, but I made a shout out, called out people so they know that I'm making a YouTube video, live stream. They can also join it whenever they. Once I'm done with it, it will still be a video you can still watch. So that you can just look through it. Maybe if you see your name, that would be great. Maybe, but I'm still going to try and do it all the way to the last one, which means, let's see, I've been here for about 5 years. Damn, bro, I'm going to spend a lot of time here. I'm going to spend a lot of time. Okay, yep, that's my, that's me right there. Broken, of course. It's you, man. I'm not TV. Oh, what? What? It's not. You're not really on TV. Come on, it's not. Maybe to be on streaming on TVs one day. I don't know. It could be on TV right now since there's actually YouTube, smart TVs, and YouTube just added to it by default. But still, I've been on gamejolt for 5 years. Come on. And what's funny is 2 years was spent not doing anything at all. Like, so everyone between that time of like first 2 years on gamejolt was just absolutely, they've just forgotten about me. They've all done all that stuff with their life. Literally had to spend time because of school. Go and read your books. Go and study hard. Damn, I could have gotten 1,000 followers a few years ago, and maybe I'll be like getting a little bit more support, be able to do more stuff, be able to hire people, be able to create my own game faster instead of spending more time on YouTube trying to watch a tutorial that feels more like rocket science. Crazy ass system. Anyways, yeah. Oh, the TV thing you said is a quote. Oh, okay, okay. Wait, quotes where? Quotes from here, or just like quotes like we're just saying it as a, you know, quote. Okay, weird moments. Anyway, let me just go back to them. No, I'm not pronouncing that first word. Poppy Girl, Jess Studio. I'm thankful for the comment, even though it was a simple letter. Okay, but I'm alright with it. Thankful for the comment. Brogan again, my bro. The day you followed me 5 months ago seems just like yesterday. Then Miko 28. followed me. I'm not sure if the person is active though. Forbidden to. Then this wonderful feature that gamejolt doesn't want to get rid of. Forbidden to. HTV 96,000. No, 9,600. Sorry. Can I open it up? Yes, I can. Okay, that's great. 25k. 25k. Everyone follow this guy. Like Forbidden 2. Then Catherine followed me. Thank you for the follow. Alex followed you or followed me. Thank you for the follow. You guys should follow them. Maybe I should zoom in. Yeah, maybe I should zoom in. There we go. Make sure you can see it. Forbidden 2. Polls closed, and for okay, this was a poll that I reacted to, not a poll that I made. Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2. Let's see. Forbidden 2, Forbidden. I actually opened this one. Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2. Joshua's official channel. Okay, there we go. You guys should follow, like, and comment on all of this stuff. Wait, this is a new voting system, or is it an old vote? I remember when gamejolt had something like this before, and not that long bar. Wait, 22 debate question. I thought that was 21 pilots that I was going to read them. It shows 21 pilots. Life is that. Clicking this one. What? Okay. You know you're right. Well, maybe I have to check for the song. I don't think I've heard that one yet. Surprising. Let's see. Comments. Oh, I'm grateful. Your internet is slow. How is it slow? It can't be slow. It can't be slow. I mean, look. Excellent. Excellently. Uh, yeah, I don't know any other version of excellence other than that. Come on. Yeah, it's supposed to be. Oh, no way, it can't be. Let me check. YouTube. I bet the first thing that pops up is educational. Limited. Ignore this one. Okay, it's not. It's definitely not educational. Okay, ignore that one. But the second one is kind of experimental. Let's see. Your channel. Yeah. By the way, I actually made this render like a few seconds ago. Like literally, this is it right here, just before the stream. And let's see. 2 people watching, and now it is 3 people watching. Okay, 10 viewers. Anyways, I'm actually thankful, but let's see. Live just before the stream. Yeah. Silence. I don't like hear myself in repeat. 2 people watching, and now it is. There we go. 3 people watching. Know each other. Okay, 10 viewers. Anyways, wait. I'm actually thankful, but no freaking way. Am I really lagging that badly? No way. Wait, let me go back. This is why. This is why I'll just. No, I'm not. I am truly like 60 FPS. Damn, this is faster than what I'm actually seeing. Cool. Let me check. It's 60 FPS. Come on. It can be excellent.
Bro, it
Unless,
can't be
okay,
slow.
unless you are like
It can't be slow.
trying
And
to
look,
watch the stream live, like actually live. So as OBS is exporting it to YouTube, you are literally trying to watch it at the same time. So there'll be some slight issues. So just take it back like a few seconds. Yes, when you leave a comment, it will be a little off, and I may find it strange, but still, it's better to watch it that way than trying to watch it live and then it keeps freezing. I like the 60 FPS. It's clean. I usually don't see 60 FPS on my screen. It's usually like stiff.
maybe I'll be like getting it.
Anyways, back to the stream. This one. So let's see. Forbidden 2. Forbidden 2. Sotaku. Let's see. This dude came in at a very odd time, I believe. Yeah. Interesting artwork. I believe I followed him. Wait, him, right? Yeah, him. Mainly for those a post. Nope, not this. Calm down, people. Not this, but I know I saw a post at one point, but I am definitely sure it was like a pixel art that I saw, and I just thought, damn cool, follow this dude, don't ask any questions. So guys, do the same. That's Sotako, Sotako. Rotten laugh. Anyways, Lion Play Pro Gamer, and this looks like someone that spams those pro gamer words, but still, follow this person. Follow, follow. That's if you guys actually won Game Jolt in the first place. Come on. Hello. I've not played this game too, guys. I've not played this game. I don't know why I don't want to play it yet. I keep saying it when I keep saying I'm going to play it and I forget to play it, just like God of War 2. I still haven't played the game yet. At least the full game. Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2. At 9903E. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, every single person that follows me, I must follow them back. Just 1 year ago. Sorry, I zoomed in so you can't really see the likes. It's meant to be like right here. So you can't really see the likes. Oh, okay, it's here. Nice. Anyone that does HTML and CSS, this is crazy because 1, 2, and now it's over here. So, and now it's here. And 1, 2, and now it's on top. Oh man, React Native. We all know what it is like. Anyways, who's next? No Forbidden 2, no Total Dev. So if I'm not posting yesterday, I'm very busy. I'm thankful. Usually people don't actually say no problem or no worries. They just ignore my posts. Crazy, right? 11 views and it's still going up. One concurrent viewer, but I'm still happy that there's someone watching in the first place. Yeah, it's not delaying to me. Ooh, see, bro is using like AMD PC with 60 gigabytes of RAM or something. Maybe that's just why you're not getting any delay. But anyways, I'm at least happy that it's not my laptop that is goofing off somehow. Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2. Golden Beach. Yeah, this was the person that was. This was the. No, not the last person in my shout out. By the way, I totally forgot that something like shout outs existed not until like this evening. Shout outs, trophies, and community, blah 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 blah. Yeah, let's see. Nope, no reply. Okay, Golden Beach sold about 4, 5 other people before I can now reach or well start the actual thanks, because I've already said thanks before, but I'll still say thanks again. There's Golden Beach. This person had actually made an artwork that I looked at, and then I now made a 3D model and then used it as like, let's see if I can find it. See
I bet
here.
the first thing that
No,
pops up
it's
is
not
like
here. It's not here. Ignore this stuff. Ignore this stuff. Ignore this. Ignore everything. Ah, there we go. This artwork. So here it is, like cover art. So he has in his artwork, he has like these domes. I can't really say that I'm going to search for the image because this is just going to take a long time. But he had these like domes. He had some kind of floating orb at the center. I tried making it or recreating it, but it just didn't work. It didn't look all right to me. So I just decided to keep it as this flattish 2D plane with a few changes. I believe, this is what it looks like before. Horrible, just strange.
educational.
So I just had to leave it as a
Limited. Ignore this one.
round-ish orb.
Okay, it's not. It's definitely not educational. Okay, ignore
Mm,
that one. But the
yep.
second one is kind of.
Man, at least the comment section is moving. God of War, yeah, God of War is peak. Okay, it has a bit of delay. Of course it would. Of course it would. You can't just have everything in real time,
Experimental.
or even physical
Let's see.
conversations.
Channel.
And Shadow Error 404. This profile picture,
Yeah. By the
I
way, I
don't
actually
know
made
why.
this
Wait, I
render
could have just
like a
hovered
few
on it.
seconds ago. Like literally this. This is
I
it
also just
right here.
I did this
Just before
before,
the
but I don't
stream.
know why I didn't come to my senses that I could just hover on it
Let's see.
instead of like
Two people
actually
watching,
opening it up
and
in the
now it is
browser.
three
Yeah,
people watching.
my brain
Okay,
does the
10
braining
viewers.
work like long
Anyways,
after it is
I'm
needed.
actually thankful, but
So
let's see.
DMD Studios. Oh, by
Live
the way, I'm following. You guys should follow DMD
just
Studios.
before the stream.
He
Yeah,
ignore the maybe not ignore it if
silence
some people
alone, like
consider it
hear
rude, some
myself
people
in repeat.
consider it rude. I don't mind. I'm just thankful that you followed me. You guys should
Two
follow the
people watching,
person
and
also.
now it is
Then there we
three
go.
people watching each other. Okay, 10 viewers.
Game maker.
Anyways, yeah, I'm actually
Let
thankful,
me
but
see. No
let's
freaking
see.
way. Am I
Live,
really lagging that
really
badly?
cool.
Cool. By the way, you have to pay for this
No, wait,
stuff.
just
It's
wait.
actual
Let me go back.
cash. Let me go back.
This is why I was
I
just
don't know
no.
why, but
I'm not. I am truly
like okay,
thankful.
maybe
60 FPS. Damn,
maybe
that's
to
faster
actually
than
fund
what I'm actually seeing.
creators, but
Okay,
still
let me check. Let me check.
there's a
This
little
60 FPS. Come on,
there's no free
it
option
can't
out
be
there.
excellent
No, it
unless
can't be
okay,
there are
unless you
few
are like
free options similar
can't
to
be
Discord,
trying
which I
to
do not like.
watch the
But
stream live, like actually live.
oh,
So as the as OBS is exporting it to
427.7k
YouTube, you're literally
likes.
trying to watch it at the same time.
Just
So
a
there'll be
quick
some
reference,
slight issues. So
10k
just take it
likes,
back like
and
a
this is
few
after 5
seconds.
years and
Yes,
2 good
when you
years
leave
of
a
hard work.
comment to be a little off and I may
This person has
find it
been here for okay, I can't tell
strange,
from
but
here.
still,
But follow
it's
the
better
person
to watch it that way than
forbidden to
trying to watch it live and then it
Jota
keeps freezing.
124.
I like the
Follow,
60 FPS.
very
It's
important.
clean.
I'm thankful
I
for your
usually don't
follow.
see 60 FPS on my screen.
Then
It's
AVG,
usually like stiff.
as long as the
Maybe I'll be
person
like
you
getting
follow
it.
him,
Anyways, back to the
follow
stream.
him, her, she, don't know.
This one.
Zensumi,
So let's see. Forbidden 2.
Zensumi.
Forbidden 2. Sutaku. Let's see.
Oh, I
This
actually
dude
thought it was a
came
guy.
in at a very odd
Follow
time, I
5k likes.
believe. Yeah.
Then here we go, Zogo. This
Interesting
is
artwork.
now the
I believe I
person.
followed
I'm not
him.
sure how.
Wait, him right?
I'm
Yeah,
really not
him.
sure how the person inspired me to
Mainly
make
for
this
post
song,
a
but
post. Nope,
this
not this.
guy
Calm down.
and
Not this, but I know I saw a post at one point, but
come on,
it's
where you
I
at?
am definitely sure it was like a pixel
I
art
feel like I've already
that I
missed the
saw,
person
and I just
already.
thought, damn, cool. Follow this
Yeah,
dude. Don't
I have.
ask any questions.
Well, this guy
So,
and that one, that
guys,
okay,
to
yeah,
the same.
this guy here.
That's
And
So
then this
Taco,
dude are the people that
SOTAKO.
inspired me to make this
Rotten laugh.
actual cover arts and
Anyways,
the music
Lion Play
behind
Pro Gamer. This
the
looks like
artwork
someone that
itself.
spams those with Pro Gamer words,
And yeah,
but still,
this.
follow this person.
So let's
Follow,
see. Art
follow.
films. Man, I've been talking for a long
Guys,
time.
if you guys
My head
actually
is like
want Game Jolt in the
feeling
first place,
woozy all of
come
a
on.
sudden. Art films 2003. Thank you
Follow.
for the
I've not
follow.
played this game too.
Wolf 2.
Guys, I've not
Thank you
played
for
this
the
game. I
follow.
don't know
That
why I don't want to play it yet.
wait a minute.
I keep saying it,
This is the
and I
same
keep
guy.
saying I'm going to play it,
Yeah, this
and
is
I
the same
forget
guy.
to
Wolf
play it.
just
Just
it
like
has the
God of
same,
War 2, I still haven't played the
has
game
two
yet.
accounts.
At least the full game.
Follow the guy.
Forbidden 2,
Forbidden
Forbidden
2.
2, Forbidden 2, Forbidden 2.
Bree Gamer. Follow him.
At
Hashi Gate, whichever one.
9903 each.
Vladimir Drobot.
Thank you for the follow.
Well,
Yeah,
it's
every
a
single
person, right?
person that
It's an
follows me,
account
I must
still
follow them
exists.
back.
Follow the person.
Just 1 year ago.
Arts
Sorry, I
PPY.
zoomed in
I'm
so you can't
thankful.
really see
Thank
the
you for the
likes.
follow.
It's
By the
meant
way,
to be like
everybody, thank you for the
right
follow.
here.
Follow this
So you
dude.
can't really see the likes. Oh, okay, it's here. Nice.
And then
Anyone that does HTML and CSS, this
Royalty
is crazy
Love
because
Solution and paper
one,
and
two,
wow, that is
nice over here.
enough.
So now
20k,
it's
I
here.
mean, it's still a person,
And
follow the person.
one, two.
There's
And
like
now he's on
Didi
top.
fans out there, so
Oh man.
just follow the person
Yeah,
however you see it.
yeah, native.
Comments?
We all know what
Okay,
it is
no
like.
comments.
Anyways, who's next?
Let's see here.
No Forbidden 2. No Total Dev.
Forbidden 2,
Talking
again,
about posting yesterday. Very, very busy. I'm thankful.
dedication, man. Dedication.
Usually,
No, I
people
wasn't
don't
supposed to click. I
actually
clicked
say
it.
no problem
I
or no
clicked it.
worries. They just ignore my posts.
Man,
Crazy,
I'm suddenly hungry.
right?
I'm suddenly hungry. I wish I
Level
could take sweets now.
views. And it's still going up.
Okay.
One concurrent viewer, but I'm still happy that there's someone watching in the first place.
Man, it's like
Yeah, it's not
11
delaying to me.
p.m. right now.
Ooh, see,
Yeah.
bro is
So,
using like
would you support?
hearing the
Wait,
PC with this
people. Let's just
60
see real
gigabytes
quick.
of RAM or
Can I
something.
see the post?
Maybe that's just why you're not
Yes.
getting
So,
delay. But
everyone,
anyways,
take a
I'm
look.
at least happy that it's
One,
not my laptop that is goofing off
two,
somehow.
three. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, and there we go. One vote, and
Golden Beach. Yeah, this
I'm
was the
sure you
person that
can
was.
clearly see
This
where
was
it
the
landed.
no, not the last person. My
Clearly,
shout out.
there we go.
By the way,
Next up,
I totally
which
forgot
is
that
why I'm just really thankful
something
for
like
the people
shout
that are
outs
still like
existed.
here saying, hey man,
Talk
at
to you
least I'm
like
still supporting
this
someone
evening.
like this dude
Shout
that has been
outs,
doing
trophies
this
and
for the
community,
past
blah blah
6
blah
and I
blah.
clicked it.
Yeah,
Damn,
let's see.
not
Noise
6 years,
guy.
2 years, sorry.
Okay, Golden Beach. So
Um,
about four
I'm
or five
really
other
hungry. I
people
haven't even eaten yet.
before I can
Come
now
to think of it,
reach or well start the
just
actual thanks because I've
Pluriu.
already said thanks before, but I'll still say
Can't
thanks
pronounce it
again.
properly.
There's Golden Beach. This person
Thank you
had
for the
actually
follow.
made an artwork that I looked at,
Yeah,
and
that I
then
actually still don't know
now
what
made
that
a
thing was.
3D model
To be honest,
and then
it's just
used it as
some
like,
blue
let's see if I can find it. See
objects,
here. That's the first thing
and
that pops
how
up right here.
it was on a flyer. Somewhere that
Yeah.
I was trying to, I was going to
Ignore
work
this stuff. Ignore this stuff.
for
Ignore this.
as an intern
Ignore everything.
for semester 5 project or
There we
this
go.
semester 6
This
project.
artwork. So here it is.
I was supposed to work for
Like
them. I
cover
tried
art.
actually like making some
So he
designs
has
and all that,
in his artwork he has like these
like a
domes. I can't
brochure,
really
redesigning it.
say
But
that I'm going
guess
to
what?
search for
My
the image
my
because
method
this
of
is just going to take a long
actually
time.
redesigning the
But he
brochure
had
was
this like domes.
entirely
He
in
had some
Blender.
kind of
So
floating orb
whatever 2D
at the center.
image
I
you
tried
see,
making it or recreating it, but it just
whatever
didn't
wait,
work.
no, no,
It
no,
didn't look all right
let me
to me.
show the actual
So I just decided
object.
to keep it as this flattish 2D plane
Come on, please
with
tell me
a
that
few
I can
changes.
open it up. Let me just show you guys the
This is what it looks like.
image that I'm talking
Oh,
about. So
horrible. Just
the
strange.
things that look like it's
So I just
3D,
had
this
to
is
leave
a
it as
bad
a limited
render,
brown
but
phone
still.
ish. Oh,
things that
okay,
look
it's not.
like it's
It's definitely
3D
not
is
educational. But
actually 3D.
ignore that
So
one. But the
yep,
second one is
this text
kind of.
is the actual text
Hmm,
from Blender. This
since
is
the
an
comment section
image.
is moving.
This is a
God of War, yeah,
3D
God of War
object.
is
Be
peak.
smart. I made
Yeah,
this
okay.
random
It
tube
has a bit
thing,
of delay. Of
trying
course
to
it would.
copy
Of course it
what I
would.
saw on the brochure that they had.
You can't
This
just
is a
have
light
everything in
switch.
real time.
So on the other
Or even
side,
physical
wait, no, I'm not
conversations.
supposed to be describing this. This is not
And
what the
shadow
actual life story
error
is meant
for
to be, but you guys get the idea.
this
And yes,
profile
I
picture.
made
Yeah.
this phone.
By the way,
I
I
don't
actually
know
made
why
this
I forgot about it entirely
I
because
could have just
I
hovered on
don't
few
have
seconds
any
ago.
use
Like
for it.
literally, this is
I
it.
also just let's see,
I
let's see,
I
let's see, let's
did
see,
this
let's see.
before, but I
Focus
don't
in.
know why I didn't come to my senses that I could just hover on it
My brain is not
instead of like
braining.
two people watching on
Mario,
top in the
yeah,
browser,
Mario at
three people watching.
free
My brain
scale.
doesn't really
I don't
work
know what
like
to say about this
long
last word
after
here.
I'm actually
Commented
thankful. But
on
so
yeah.
DMD Studios. Oh, by the way, I'm following. You guys
So
should follow
yeah, I'm
DMD
thankful that
Studios
actually
before the stream. He
this
did.
actually
He ignore
worked.
the
Uh,
maybe not ignore it.
all I
Some
typed
people
was
consider it
sub
rude. Some people
and
consider it
hope
rude.
that everybody will
I
read
don't
it
mind it.
like
I'm just
as
thankful
cup
that he
or
followed
something
me.
else.
I should
But
follow the person
at
also.
least most people
And
didn't read it
three
exactly the
people
way
watching.
it was written.
Give me
Violet,
that.
the nice
Let
Octagon.
me go.
I feel this girl person.
I'm not really
I feel
lagging
this
that badly.
person
Cool. By the way,
spamming a
you
few
have to pay
accounts,
for
but
this stuff.
I'm still thankful you followed me.
Actual cash. Let me go back.
Chill
No,
artist
I'm
community
not.
full of
Oh,
great
yes, yes.
artists. To
Damn,
be
it's
honest,
faster than
great in every way. I
what
don't
I'm
care what
actually
you say,
seeing.
but
But
everyone here
still,
is cool.
there's a little 60 FPS.
Here we go.
There's no
Both
free option.
guy.
Excellent. Unless okay, unless you
Yeah,
have free
like say
option,
both
similar to
guy, but
Discord.
you
If
get
I do not
my
watch
brain
the
can't
stream
think of actual words.
live, like actually live. So as the
Trying to work on a longer animation for
OBS is
once. I don't
exporting
think I made the
7K, I'm
animation
literally
for
trying to watch
goodness
that
sake. I
just so
don't think I
for
made.
reference, slight
I
issues.
remember
So
what I
just
was
like
posting
this
at this time,
is
and
after
no,
5 years.
I did not make it a longer animation.
2 good years of hard work. To be a
Yeah,
little
thank you
off,
for the
and then
follow.
you find it
Then
okay, I
song
can't stream, but still,
sonic.rom. This is
it's
like
better
a
to watch it that way than on YouTube. I have to
sonic.exe.
watch it live just at
So that's
124
an evil version of
following
Sonic,
60
but
FPS. Very important. I'm
this
thankful for
version
the
is
usually
cute
60 FPS on
and I
my
like
stream.
it.
Then
So follow this
it's
guy,
usually
sonic.rom,
like
a very
stiff
cool person.
as long as the person
And
you follow him, if
Golden
you
Beat,
follow him, her, she,
here we
don't
go.
know.
Some sort of Hollow Knight.
Then soon, unless it's
Yeah,
not
so
soon for me too.
this
Sutaku.
guy over here
Let's see.
that I
Oh,
made,
I actually thought it
I
was a guy.
made him as a drawing
Oh, 5K likes.
in secondary school,
Then here we
and
go, Zogro.
I
This
actually
is
thought because
now
it was a long time since I had seen the Hollow Knight
I'm not sure
character,
how him right.
so I thought like
I'm
what
not
I was
sure
drawing
how the
was
person inspired
fairly
him to make
accurate
this song,
replica of
but
the dude
nope, this guy
until I made the post
and
and then someone just said, "Nope, doesn't look
and
like
at
him.
one point, but
Doesn't look like him at
I am
all."
definitely sure it was like a pixel art.
And I
Like
had to check
I've already
and then
missed
realize
first,
that
and I
what
just thought,
I
damn cool,
actually
follow this
drew and
game.
what is
I'll
online
ask
are
any questions.
totally different.
Well, this guy and that other, okay,
But
I
mine
said
looks
this
cool.
guy here.
Anyways,
This dude,
um,
the people that inspired me
so
to
let's see.
make this actual cover art
Ballard is
and
Singaporean
music
protagonist.
gamer
Definitely sure you
also
can see the
someone that
similarities
self
here.
spams those who pro
Anyways,
gamer and all, but still
I'm thankful for the
follow
follow.
this person. So
Mario, I think this is where Mario now
follow
followed me. Yes, I'm thankful for the follow. Mr.
platforms.
Right,
When I've been
I'm
talking for a
thankful.
long time, my brain
It's
even
actually the
game
movie
just
Mr.
exploded
Right.
all of a sudden.
It's nice.
Art film
Clarence
2002.
guest,
Thank you for the follow.
thankful for the follow.
Wolf 2. Thank you
Victor
for the follow.
Games, thank, thank you, thank you.
This
By
is the
the way,
same guy.
yeah, follow these guys.
Yeah,
One,
it's the same guy.
15k.
Wolf just like God of War
Two,
2. I still haven't played. It has two
21,
accounts.
common.
At least
He
the
has
same
also
game.
created two
Follow this guy.
games. I wish to create my own game one day, man.
Bree gamer.
To make me so
Follow
happy.
him. Hashi
Follow this
Sean.
person. 9 likes. I
Vladimir
feel
Drobot. Thank you for
okay.
the follow.
106 followers. That's
Well,
fair, but 9 likes is like
every
very
person
small
and
for
can't
106
still exist.
followers.
Follow the person of 1 year ago. Ads
Probably do
PPY
too.
I'm thankful. Thank you
Wait
for
a
the follow.
minute.
By the way,
No.
everybody, thank you for the follow.
Okay.
Follow this dude.
One, two, three,
Oh,
four,
okay, so
five.
nice.
No, we ignore this one.
Anyone
That's
that
my
does
actual
HTML,
comment.
CSS, this is
One, two,
Pillow
three,
Solution and
four,
Paper
five,
and wow,
six, seven,
that is
eight,
nice.
nine, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay.
And
It's
I
just
mean,
a
it's
little
still a
bit
person,
above
growing person, and two
13,
is
and then
now with
the
different.
fans out there. So,
Oh man, just follow
very
the person.
attractive.
However
Today's special. What was today's special? Come on.
comments, you all know what
Okay,
it is
no
like.
comments.
Anyways, who's next?
Let's see here. Can
No
I get
Forbidden 2,
it?
no Total Dev.
Forbidden
Nah,
2.
I can't.
Again,
Posting yesterday, very, very busy. Dedication,
man,
man.
Infinite
Dedication.
Energy
Oh, I
Gaming
was supposed
Studios.
to actually say
And thank you
no
for following
problem,
me.
no worries. They just ignore
Encourage,
my post.
encouraging dog.
Crazy.
I'm suddenly hungry.
Right?
Nice.
Suddenly hungry. I wish I
Level
could take sweets now.
yeah, I think I.
And it's still going up. Okay.
Yeah.
One concurrent viewer, but
Wait.
I'm
I
still
want you
happy
guys
that
to
there's
see the
someone
post
watching in the first place.
that he made. He showed it.
Man,
No, he's not showing us
like
the post.
it's not
But his
10 p.m. right now.
OC that he made was actually
PC.
very cool, which was why I said,
Yeah.
like, I hope he
So
gets like
like,
animated
you
to be
support
cool.
the PC.
People, let's just see quick.
Gigabytes of RAM or something.
I see the post.
Maybe that's just why you're not
Yes.
getting
So
NDA. But
everyone
anyways,
take a
I'm
look.
at least happy that it's
One,
not my laptop that is goofing off
two,
somehow.
3, come on, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there we go. One vote.
Golden Beach. Yeah, this was the
Show the
person that
camera.
was.
Clearly see
This
where
was
it landed.
no, not the last person.
Clearly.
My shout out.
There we go.
By the way,
Next up,
I totally forgot
which is
that
why I'm just really thankful
something
for
like
the people
shout
that
outs
still like
existed.
here saying, hey man,
Talk
at
to you
least I'm
like
still supporting someone
even
like this dude
shout
that has
outs,
been doing
trophies
this
and
for the
community,
past
blah blah
6
blah
and I
blah.
clicked it.
Yeah, let's see.
No,
No
6
reply.
years, 2 years, sorry.
Okay, Golden Beach showed
Um,
about four
I'm
five
really
other
hungry. I
people
haven't even eaten yet.
before I can now
To think of it,
reach or well start the
just
actual thanks because I've
you
already said thanks before, but I'll still say
can
thanks
pronounce it
again.
properly.
There's Golden Beach. This person
Thank you
has
for the
actually
follow.
made an artwork that I looked at,
Yeah,
and
that I
then
actually still don't know
now
what
made
that
a
thing was.
3D model
To be honest,
and
it's
then
just
used it as
some
like,
blue
let's see if I can find it.
objects,
I guess the
and
person that
no,
thought of it, I guess.
it was on a flyer. Somewhere that
Yeah.
I was going to
Ignore
work
this stuff, ignore this stuff,
for
ignore this,
as an intern
ignore everything.
for semester 5 project or
There
this
we go.
semester 6
This
project.
artwork. So here it is.
I was supposed to work for
Like
them. I tried
cover art.
actually like making some
So he
designs
has
and all that,
in his artwork, he has like these
like a
domes. I can't
brochure,
really
redesigning it.
say
But
that I'm going
guess
to
what?
search for
My
the image
my
because
method
this
of
is just going to take a long
actually
time.
redesigning the
But he
brochure
had
was
this like domes.
entirely
He
in
had some
Blender.
kind of
So
floating orb
whatever
at
2D
the
image
center. I
you
tried
see,
making it or recreating it, but it just
whatever
didn't
wait,
work.
no, no,
It
no,
didn't look all right to me.
show the actual
So I just decided
object.
to keep it as this flattish 2D plane
Come on, please tell me
with a
that
few
I
changes.
can open it up. Let me just show you
Yeah,
guys the
this is what it looks like.
image that I'm talking
Oh,
about. So
horrible. Just
the
straight
things that look like it's
So I just
3D,
had
this
to
is
leave
a
it as
bad
a limited
render,
brown this
but
one
still.
ish. Oh,
Things that
okay,
look like it's
it's
3D
definitely not
is
like this one. I'll just
actually 3D.
ignore that
So
one. But the
yep,
second one is
this text
kind of
is the actual text
hmm,
from Blender. This
since
is
the
an
comment section
image.
is moving.
This is a
God of War, yeah,
3D
God of War
object.
is
Look
peak.
smart. I made
Yeah,
this
okay.
random
It
tube
has a bit of
thing,
delay. Of
try
course
to
it would.
copy
Of course it
what I
would.
saw on the brochure that they had.
You can't
This
just
is a
have
light
everything in
switch.
real time.
So on the other
Whatever
side,
physical
wait, no, I'm not
conversations.
supposed to be describing this. This is not
And
what the
shadow
actual live stream
error
is meant to be,
404.
but you guys get the idea.
This
And yes,
profile
I
picture.
made
Yeah.
this phone.
By the way,
I
I
don't
actually
know
made
why
this
I forgot about it
this
entirely because
render.
I could have just
A
hovered
few
on have
seconds
any
ago,
use
like
for it.
literally this. This is
I
it.
also just
Like I did this before,
Wait,
but I
I
don't
think
know why I didn't come to my senses that I could just hover on it
my
see,
brain is not
instead of like
braining.
two people
I'm
watching on
married.
top in the browser.
I'm married. artist
I'm
community
not.
full
Full
of
of
great. Actual words.
actually live. So
Oh,
as the
trying to work on a longer animation for once. I don't think I made the animation, for goodness sake. I don't think I made. I remember what I was posting at this time, and no, I did not make it a longer animation.
leave a comment to be a
Yeah,
little
thank you
off
for the
and
follow.
then the person has been here
Then
for okay,
song
I can't enough,
sonic
but
dot
still,
rom. This is like
first
a
time to watch it that way than
sonic
YouTube,
dot
I have to watch it live just at
exe. So that's
174
an evil version of
for me.
Sonic,
60
but
FPS
very
is actually
important.
clean.
And this
But
version is
usually
chill,
60 FPS on
and I
my
like
screen.
it.
Then
So follow this guy,
usually
Sonic dot
usually
rom.
like
A very
stick
cool person.
as long as maybe the person I've been following, maybe
Golden
follow
Beats.
him, how she
There we go. Some sort of Hollow Knight.
then Sumi. Let's see
Yeah.
Forbidden
So
Forbidden 2.
this guy over here
See.
that I made,
I actually thought it
I
was a guy.
made him as a drawing
Low 5K likes.
in secondary school,
Then here we
and
go, Zogro.
I
This
actually
is
thought
now
because it was a long time since I had seen the Hollow
and I'm
Knight
not sure
character.
how him right.
So I thought like
I'm
what
not
I was
sure
drawing
how
was
the person inspired
fairly
him to make
accurate
the song,
replica of
but
the dude
nope,
this guy
not this.
until I made the post and then someone just said, nope,
I know I
it
saw
doesn't
him
look
that
like
at
him.
one point, but
Doesn't look like him at
yeah,
all.
I'm definitely sure it was like a pixel
So
art.
then I had to check and then realize that what I
Then cool,
actually
follow this
drew and
game.
what is
Ask
online are
any questions.
totally different. Well, this guy
So
and that
guys,
okay,
we
but
can
mine
say
looks
this
cool.
guy here
Anyway,
this dude people that inspired me
so let's
to
see.
make this actual cover art
Ballard is
and
Singaporean
music
protagonist.
gamer
Definitely sure you can see the similarities here.
spams those who pro
Anyways,
gamer but still
I'm thankful for the follow.
this person.
Mario, I think this is where Mario now followed me. Yes, I'm thankful for the follow, Mr. Right. I'm thankful. It's actually the movie Mr. Right. It's nice. Clearance guest. Thank you for the follow. Thankful for the follow. Victor Games. Thank you. By the way, yeah, follow these guys. One, 15K. So 21. Come on. He has also created two games. I wish to create my own game one day, man. To make me so happy. Follow this person. 9 likes. I feel okay. 106 followers. That's fair, but 9 likes is like very small for 106 followers. People making two. Thankful. Wait a minute. No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we ignore this one. That's my actual comment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Just a little bit above 13 and then perfect. Very attractive. Today's special. What was today's special? Come on. No comments. Let's see here. Can I get it?
No total there.
I can't.
Again,
Man, Infinite Energy Gaming Studios.
actually
I'm thankful for following me.
no worries.
Encouraging dog. Nice.
Level
Yeah, I think I.
still going up.
Okay. Yeah.
One concurrent viewer, but
Wait.
I'm
I
still
want you
happy
guys
that
to
there's
see the
someone
post
watching in the first place.
that he made. He's sure people know he's not showing us the post.
It's not
But his
10 p.m. right
post
now.
that he made was actually very cool, which was why I said, like, I hope he gets like animated to be cool.
People, let's just say gigabytes of RAM or something. I see the post. Maybe that's just why you're not getting
So,
NVA. But anyways, I'm at least happy that it's not my laptop that is goofing off somehow.
3, come on, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there we go. One vote.
Golden Beach. Yeah, this was the person that was.
Clearly see where it landed.
No, not the last person.
Clearly.
My shout out.
There we go.
By the way,
next up,
I totally forgot
which is
that
why I'm just really
something
thankful for
like
the people that
shoutouts
still like
existed
here saying, hey man, at
until
least I'm
like
still supporting
even
something like this dude that
shoutouts,
has been doing
trophies
this
and
for the
community,
past
blah blah
six
blah
and a
blah.
bit.
Yeah,
Hey,
let's see.
not
No,
six
it's
years,
right.
2 years, sorry.
Okay, Golden Beach. So about four
I'm
five
really
other
hungry. I
people
haven't even eaten yet.
before I can now
To think of it,
reach or well start the
just
actual thanks because I've
you
already said thanks before, but I'll still
can
say thanks
pronounce it
again.
properly.
No, it's Golden Beach. This person
Thank you
had
for the
actually
follow.
made an artwork that I looked at,
Yeah,
and
that
then
I actually still
I
don't know
now
what
made
that
a
thing was.
3D model
To be honest,
and
it's
then
just
used it as
some
like,
blue
let's see if I can find it.
object.
Yeah,
The
the
person that
no,
thought of
it's not
it,
it.
it was on a flyer. Somewhere that
Yeah.
I was going to
Ignore
work
this stuff. Ignore this stuff.
for
Ignore this.
as an intern
Ignore everything.
for semester 5 project or
There we
this
go.
semester 6
This
project.
artwork. So
I actually like Also, let's see now. Um, I'm not actually back yet, so I'm still like eating. But one reason why I also don't like streaming now is because I'm using like a Bluetooth microphone. My laptop's built-in microphone that clearly was working like a few weeks ago, mm, suddenly just stopped working. Like, I think 2 days ago. Let's say 2 days ago, just stopped. I'm sure it is definitely going to come back to working condition in like a few more days, but I don't know why it happens, and it's just very annoying. So right now the Bluetooth mic had died, and I did not know that it had died. So I had spent like what, a whole maybe 20 minutes saying, or maybe no, maybe not 20, but like, let's say from here, because the moment when I reached quote red, I had gone to YouTube, I had shown I had this rewrite example model that I was trying to copy, but I didn't do very well. Even the mouth too is rigged. Please, people know that the mouth is rigged, and eyes and nose, hair. Let me see. Let's see here.
Hey
Oh,
everyone, in
come
this
on.
video I'm going to
Add.
show you how to create a
Okay,
3D
never mind. But anyways, most parts of what I was saying was just cut off, so don't judge me. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm here to say. That's why I don't like streaming, but I have to try though, because that's the best option I have now. Huge chance I will continue this tomorrow instead, because there is like a lot of people, and I've not even reached the people that I actually know yet. So I might just end it around maybe here. So after I finish eating, I'll just come back and end it at this spot. Then I would show you guys what I really have in store, what I was supposed to show, like talk about this evening before I pass out again. Okay, and I'm back. So let's see, back to work. So I think I stopped around here. Yeah, here. So DSF DFSSSS. Okay, this dude. Thank you for the follow. You guys should follow him. I very much put this. Definitely, I can't pronounce this. Jazz Jazz 200 Nectar. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. And everyone else follow him. Then 2GP07 followed you. Thank you for the follow. You guys should follow him. And then Jester Mortis, and I've already covered this dude, but please follow him. Yep, and this was, oh okay, it's two different people. I actually thought it was the same person. Okay, so this was when you followed me like 9 months ago. Crazy. Sprunky Q Rihanna. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. This mod, I don't know. I heard that it's cool. I heard that it's not cool. I mean, the songs that people come up with just with it is like very interesting. So I still like the characters in the first place. So it's not really something I'm actually angry about. Bubble Plum. Yeah. Thank you for the comments. Collaborated with me. Wait. I believe I was supposed to do something. I was supposed to do something because of this comment. It's not. She replied to a comment that I made on her post. So yeah, I was supposed to definitely do something after this. I'm sure I forgot. Zorobrus. Zorobrus. Thank you for the follow. Cool PFP. And then D3 develop. Yeah. Okay, his new game. By the way, am I downloaded the game? I'll check it out later. Forbidden 2. Did develop, and then PL Rosaria Interavi Interavi. I can't even know. My brain is just not working now. Anyways, thank you for the comments. This WinRAR comment is like, or post is like what, a whole 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Man, that's crazy. Moved. Wait, moved account. I don't think it's, well, Bubble Red. Thank you for the follow. If you know, you know. Then Amy217. So this is when she followed 10 months ago. Crazy. That's a long time ago. Kind of. Then wait a minute. I've already gone past what I was missing myself too. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to continue this tomorrow. Just because I don't think there's any possible I'm going to cover a whole, like what, 5 years of notifications, and most of them being I believe most of them being actually comments or sent you a gift. Oh, okay, so now off to the main agenda of this evening night. So yesterday I spoke on the software with quotations. I'm saying it that way because it's not really a software, it's more like a browser based application, but it runs almost like a software. So yeah, I don't think I'm like really convincing or exciting to watch because you're just seeing like a live stream. You just see my cursor moving around sometimes on screen. But what if there could have been like a character that is just around it? Yeah, by the way, I'm also reply to this comment. Sorry. I I think it will make it 16 like August or so, or maybe September. I'm not entirely sure when I joined Game. Well, anyways, let's go back. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So let's say that there's a character right here that's just moving according to my, my motion and all that. Anyways, that is called VTubing. That will be classified as VTubing, where you have a virtual character on screen that moves to your actions or based on what you say, voice inputs, and I'm trying to create my own right now. By the way, give me a second. Let me just send something to someone. Okay, I don't have it. Wait, wait, wait. I'm not sure if it's even a week in the first place, but anyways, oh, come on. There we go. Okay, back to work. So I'm trying to create my own actual VTubing software that works, with Blender models, with procedural textures and not just baked textures, which will take a long time for me to do. And then my model isn't like straightforward, so it's not going to be that easy for me to just get uh like a flat texture that works for it. Select folder. Oh, it's already opened it here. Okay, so I have already added a few fixes. Okay, done a few fixes. I told Claude to help me work on. I told it what I've already done before, the little edits and all that. I also still give it like a project rundown. There's something called repo mix. Repo mix like just takes a full-on folder with all of its contents, with all of its text inside, and just turns it into one single document. So I just uploaded this to Claude, told it what I've done, the updates and all that. Then I now told it the fixes that I need to do. Then it gave me like a prompt that I could give DeepSeek or Copilot here, which has done all the work for me. But the simple run straightforward version is that I have not checked it out. So whatever I see, it will be the first time I'm actually seeing it. Simple and straightforward. First time I'm actually not sure what I would even looking at. I hope it actually fixed most of the problems that I stated, because I'll be very very angry if I spent about what 68,000 tokens or what more safe on just this. Just maybe not, it's not simple, but still, come on. 91% has been used. Okay, okay. So first off, immediately not positive. Okay, that's one. It's all zoomed out. Okay, I guess that was max point. This is staying exactly on screen. I wouldn't complain. I wish I could have used cursor instead. Middle mouse does not work. Damn, I should have used cursor. Yep, as expected, and then it should keep going back and forth between Z and X. And I just can't move this guy around. Damn. Okay, let me see. Zoom in. So in simple terms, this is like an edit menu. So you first have like this quick control panel. You get your model that you've already like exported as a GLB file. I'm still working on FBX. GLB is the only one that works at the moment. Get your GLB file, drag and drop. It's immediately uploaded, and then you will have it here in your 3D scene, and it's off by a large margin. Okay, then let's see what else. Sorry, wrong one. The system is supposed to like have a terminal, or not really a terminal, but a swapping point where you can swap between edit and then your final view, which is now the one that you'll be using around here on your screen or in OBS or a different software entirely. This one is just for editing, similar to the way you have Blender, so you can add like shapes, maybe image. For example, let me add a video overlay, and there you have it. I have a video overlay, though it does not look right. I don't know why. Yes, see, I'm not crazy. I told I should have used cursor for this stuff. Anyways, the system is just having like a lot of bugs and all that, which I really need to fix. I can't fix because I don't really use JavaScript that much, at least to this level. But yeah, back to the main situation, not the situation, but this is meant to be like a whole editing area. So if you have procedural textures in your mesh, drag and drop, it should show up here. It should show up here. Then you can now add your lighting, your shapes, your objects. You can also configure it right here. Ambient lights. You can change the intensity. You can change the color, whatever you want. And then you could add shapes, curves, so that I can add like maybe some fancy kind of design. And you can attach it to your mesh, so it also follows you, similar to some other VTubing softwares out there, which I'm trying to copy. By the way, so this outline that you're seeing here, this is supposed to be the actual camera. So this is what to be rendered in your final view that is meant to be somewhere here, or maybe even on the page entirely, your full screen. This is what's supposed to be rendered outside, and then this one without the outline is just meant to be for your viewport. So for this exact spot here, you just use it to look around, similar to Blender. What just hurts now is that the system doesn't work, and I wasted so much tokens on it today. Oh man, Copilot didn't really help. The problem now that I'm facing is actually getting to edit the mesh itself, because it seems like once I export it, Blender doesn't really take note of my procedural textures or something like that. Because just take a look at this one right now as best as you can, and now let me open it up in Blender, or let me use this reference also as the Okay, so it has like different, this is cell, what they call cell shading art, and it has different layers. So there's like the light, mid range, slightly dark, and then dark. If this is a procedural texture, you can't really bake it because it's something that just reacts to light. It's cell shaded. It has one particular color, but the color still changes over time. It would be nice if I could get this same feature inside the app, but then that will take a lot of work, and then you have to recustomize like the lighting and settings again. So I just wanted it to be that I'll upload my mesh directly, drag and drop, and it works. And then another thing is that it has an outline also. So this is like this is not is like is a solidify modifier, and if I can't export this along with the texture, then my whole app is like kind of bad, kind of. And I can't even delete this stuff. I just don't know how I'm going to do it. Wait, delete. Sure, okay, doesn't work. Mesh, delete, okay, delete, okay. Okay, it works. It actually works. Oh, orbiting around the 3D world, I still can't do that. I don't know why. Middle mouse click. Let me even check. Can I move the camera? Can I move the camera? So let's see W. No. S D Q E. No. I told it specifically to add those features, but I guess it just doesn't add it. Uh, oh no, you can see it. Whoa, what's going on? What is going on? Yeah, I'm sure Copilot just made the system worse. Made it worse. Let me stop the server. Huge chance it's going to create like a forever loop, so my system is just going to crash in a few minutes if I left it to continue lagging like that. But the idea is just that the software allows me to upload my procedural textures along with the mesh directly into the software. I don't have to use an iPhone because in V2 Studio, if you wanted to use your phone to act as the capture so you can do motion tracking with your phone, then the phone sends the data to the laptop, which you now then use however you like. So maybe you can place the model here or here, and then your phone just does the capturing, which would have more detail. Not in like you can't really capture your face and then put it online since you're using a 3D model, but what I mean by in more detail is your movement is going to get it precisely. Right now, if you're using webcam, it wouldn't really make sense. It will be a little shaky, wobbly, but with a standard phone with good camera, I'm sure it could work. But with V2 Studio, you would actually need to pay for the pro plan, I believe, or so, and you need an iPhone to make a wired connection to your laptop directly so that it works easier. With Android, you can only do wireless for some reason. I don't understand how it works and why it's like that. Well, mine is just meant to be as simple as you download the app, it works, you connect your phone to your laptop, like to a hotspot, and voila, straightforward. That's how it's supposed to be. Or you want to edit your scene, you want to add like this text, dynamic text that will pop up like whenever you see the word thank you or something like that. I want to add it into the app, so it works. Oh, what else? What else? this year. Ah, getting tired. Um, oh, okay. And just because I'm using Copilot and like light models for this, there are so many issues that keep popping up. Um, and this is where having a team of actual developers and game designers and all this would have been very great. So, uh, this is one reason why I'm actually still doing the live streams in the first place, just so that I can reach more audience, more people, and tell them what I have, like my idea, and maybe even get their own support, maybe get directions on where to go. Because it would be a very great thing if I didn't have to do all the suffering myself, just to then realize that there was a totally easier way to do it. Uh, since there's no real update, disappointing. If there's no real update, I would just end the stream here. It's already like 12. Is it? Okay, 11:50. So I'll just end it here. I'll continue the followers thanks statement tomorrow. Good night.